So we're just leaving what turned out to be one of our favorite anchorages. Wow, it was just amazing. Actually, not Anchorage, mooring ball. I'm so used to saying Anchorage because we never go to mooring balls. Anyway, so we're headed, I don't know if you can see behind me, I'll give a better shot. We're headed for those islands. One of them is, in the far background is Stromboli, which hopefully we'll be in a couple of days. We're gonna stop at the little one right there first. We are on our way to, see if we can get it, Stromboli. That's that volcano island right there. So we just arrived at Stromboli, and I guess this is the main town. It's really pretty. Wow, so of course there is the volcano, and we will anchor somewhere just right here where that other sailboat is. Really beautiful. Wow, really nice. I like it here already. See, it is. That must have been a really big eruption because that is smoking. Wow, and that is actually where we're going to climb right now.
Arrive at 400 meters. Okay, we will arrive here before sunset.
Top of that very smoky volcano. Starting to get higher. See down there. Actually, Paloma is right there. Cemetery. I wonder if these are the dead bodies from the volcano erupting. Here we are. How you doing, Theo? We're still climbing.
We are.
It's pretty.
Yes, it is.
You can see great views down there. Pretty cool. So we made it. This is 400 meters. We're at the top. Very, very cool. Yesterday we were there, down in the water, watching the explosions of the earth. Apparently we'll see them better in the evening. You can hear.
Actually pretty scared.
You can see we're headed down, and there's just a steady stream of lights. That's everybody coming down. That's pretty cool. We are headed to watch the volcano explode. Wow. Wow, that was,
You can hear it.
you could hear it, you could see the lava flowing.
It's the biggest one yet.